How to Condition and Protect a Patio Table by Howard Products. Today we're going to show you how to take this old patio table and make it look and feel like new. This table has not been conditioned in years, and if something isn't done, not only will the appearance suffer, but the structural integrity of the table will degrade. Exposure to sun, temperature variations, and moisture has caused this redwood patio table to become very dry, oxidized, and is even starting to crack. First, we want to sand off the thin layer of oxidized wood to make the surface smooth, remove splinters, and make the table look like new. For the top of the table, we're going to be using a belt sander and sand in the direction of the wood grain to minimize the appearance of scratches. This table had a thin layer of oxidation on it, so it'll only require a light sanding with medium and fine grit sandpaper. For the edges and corners of the table, we will be using a palm sander. If the table is left untreated, then it'll go back to being oxidized, dry, and splintery in a matter of months. Now that the table is sanded, it is time to condition and protect it. We're going to apply Howard Sunshield Wood Conditioner and Protectant to improve the appearance and lengthen the life of the table. Apply Sunshield with a soft cloth and allow it to penetrate into the wood for at least 30 minutes. Sunshield replenishes oils back into the dry wood, enhancing the natural beauty and depth of grain as it protects the wood surface. The penetrating oils in Sunshield soak deep into the raw wood, helping bring out the depth of grain in this redwood table. The waxes in Sunshield help protect the wood by keeping the nourishing oils in the wood and repelling moisture and damaging UV rays. Sunshield is a unique blend of carnauba wax, beeswax, and orange oil combined with an extremely high-quality UV inhibitor. Sunshield is specially formulated to keep wood surfaces from drying, cracking, and oxidizing due to exposure to sun, temperature variations, and moisture. This distinctly blended product effectively penetrates and replenishes natural oils in oiled woods such as teak and other tropical hardwoods. Sunshield can be used on unfinished wood surfaces like this freshly sanded table, or finished furniture to help shine and protect the finish. Sunshield is designed to protect both the wood finish and wood color from sun fade. Sunshield enhances the natural beauty and depth of grain in indoor and outdoor wood furniture. Sunshield conditions and protects any wood surface including chairs, tables, benches, chests, lounge chairs, desks, and fences. After allowing time for Sunshield to penetrate, wipe off any excess with a clean, soft cloth. Apply again if needed, especially on dry outdoor wood surfaces. Sunshield should be used whenever the wood looks or feels dry. For more information, visit our website at howardproducts.com.